Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to clear Gmail and Google Drive storage to free up space. Managing your online storage is becoming more important than ever, and with just a few steps, you can keep your Google account running smoothly. First, open Google Drive and sign in with your Google account. This gives you direct access to all of your stored files. Once inside, press Ctrl plus A on Windows or Command plus A on Mac to select all files at once. This makes bulk file management much faster. Next, click the trash bin icon to delete the files you no longer need. Keep in mind that this only moves them to the trash and your storage space won't be freed immediately. By default, Google Drive keeps deleted files in the trash for 30 days. If you need space right away, you can manually empty the trash. Just remember that once you do this, the files are permanently removed and cannot be restored. Since Google uses the same shared storage across Gmail and Drive, clearing files in Drive will also help keep your Gmail account within its storage limit. Before deleting, carefully review what you're removing. Think of it like tidying up a physical desk. Staying organized prevents mistakes and makes everything run smoother. And that's it. Regularly decluttering your Google Drive and Gmail will keep your account efficient and prevent running out of space. If you found this guide helpful, share your own storage tips in the comments and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.